If the Suzuki Gsx-8R has color options that feels a little too polite for a bike that is supposed to represent the brand's modern sporting revival, GP Grafix appears determined to inject a much stronger dose of visual adrenaline. The studio's latest paint and graphics kit effectively reimagines the Gsx-8R as a machine that looks like it just rolled out of the British superbike paddock, using aggressive color blocking, dense sponsor-style detailing, and race-inspired visual layering. It's a reminder that, in today's mid-weight sport bike market, visual identity can be almost as important as mechanical performance. What makes this particular kit more interesting than typical aftermarket graphics is its semi-official aura. With endorsement coming from Suzuki GB's official channels and support via authorized dealers, GP Grafix has blurred the traditional line between factory styling and aftermarket personalization. For owners, this adds a layer of confidence, especially in a segment where unofficial graphics can sometimes compromise fit, durability, or resale perception. From a design standpoint, the kit is unusually comprehensive. Rather than focusing only on the fairings, GP Grafix extends coverage across the front fender, full body panels, fuel tank sections, air deflectors, tail unit, and even the swing arm. The swing arm graphics are arguably the boldest decision here, because they shift visual balance toward the rear of the bike, eliminating the slightly plain industrial look of the stock component and reinforcing the race bike illusion from every viewing angle. The choice of a racing livery aesthetic also works particularly well with the Gsx-8R, naturally sharp front-end styling. The bike already carries a modern, angular identity compared to Suzuki's older sport machines, and the complex color layering makes those lines appear even more aggressive. In a market increasingly influenced by track-derived aesthetics, this kind of visual transformation could easily become a major selling point for image-conscious riders. Underneath the new skin, the Gsx-8R remains one of Suzuki's most strategically important recent releases. Its 776 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine with a 270-degree crankshaft delivers a character closer to a V-twin than a traditional parallel layout, emphasizing low and mid-range torque rather than chasing peak horsepower bragging rights. That street-first tuning philosophy makes the bike feel more usable in real-world conditions, especially on twisty mountain roads or during urban overtakes. The Gsx-8R also differentiates itself from the naked Gsx-8S through chassis refinement, most notably via its Showa suspension setup. Retuned for stronger front-end load support, it offers noticeably better stability under hard braking and corner entry. While its ergonomics remain friendlier than hardcore supersport rivals like the R7 or RS660, that compromise is deliberate. Suzuki is clearly targeting riders who want genuine track capability without sacrificing daily ride comfort. Ultimately, the GP Grafix kit reinforces what the Gsx-8R already represents: a versatile sport bike that prioritizes balance over extremes. The graphics don't suddenly turn it into a track weapon mechanically, but they do transform its emotional appeal. For riders who feel Suzuki's traditional styling leans too far towards safe and practical, this kind of factory-adjacent racing aesthetic could be the final ingredient that makes the bike feel truly special.